This is a lat pull-down cable machine. We have a few adjustments to keep in mind prior to. So up above is the long bar handle. There's various bars that you can switch out, but today is just a typical long bar for a lat pull-down. Below, you'll have seat adjustments. This is to hold your legs into place so that you stay placed in your seat. When you do this exercise, you should not be coming out of your seat. If you are, please lower the weight and change your range of motion appropriately. Also, start a little lighter when you first go for your exercise. Pay attention to the weight that you choose. Make sure they don't have additional plates stacked on top of the weights too, so that you actually know the pounds that you're lifting. When you go to grip the handles above, start in the standing position. You'll notice that the grips go pretty wide. So ladies, if you're shorter, I do not recommend going as far out as he's able to do. He's a taller. You can hold inward where he is, about where the bend is in the bar. This will be a more comfortable positioning based on your just your width in general. Once you have a good grip, you can take the bar with you as you go to sit down and place your legs back underneath the adjusted padding that you did. When you go to pull, you want to have a slight bend backwards so that you can pull the bar straight down into your sternum. Do not hit your chest, so slowly pull down and slowly raise up. Notice he's not going behind his neck. He's looking straight forward. You want your spine straight. You do not want to curve anywhere in your spine, including your cervical. Notice from the back, his shoulder blades come together as he pulls, so he's able to focus and contract on his lat muscles during this exercise. The elbows are kind of wanting to come toward each other, and the shoulder blades are rotating toward each other.